What meme do you quote on a daily basis?
Oh, what a day.
Oh, what a day.
I know, it's all a bit much, isn't it?
I'm gonna lose my job.
Now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
What meme do you quote on a daily basis?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, friends. Okay, that was quite good. Oh, friend. Oh, new friend.
Very good, very nice.
I'm under the water.
I am under the water. Please help.
What meme do you quote on a daily basis?
Wala.
Brother, What meme do you quote on a daily basis?
If my grandmother had wheels, she would have been a bike.
Not me, not Hermione, you.
Not me, not Hermione, you.
Hanging around.
Me? Just hanging around.
Okay, let's go.